How to use ChatGPT instead of Siri on iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for ChatGPT. Install the official app by OpenAI. Once it is installed, open the app. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, sign up using your email. Next, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap the ++ icon to create a new shortcut. Search for ChatGPT in the Actions list and select Start Voice Conversation with ChatGPT. Now go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then select Touch. Scroll down again and tap on Back Tap. Here you will see two options, Double Tap and Triple Tap. Choose the option you prefer. In this example, we select Double Tap. Scroll down to the Shortcuts section and choose Start Voice Conversation with ChatGPT to assign it. Now, whenever you double tap the back of your iPhone, ChatGPT Voice Conversation will open instead of Siri. That's it.